see, this is how the story goes. I fell in love and gave my heart to someone close. I thought
she dropped a change up an island soldier.
Oh my, oh my.
Far from me culture.
But then I found a queen who always hold it down. She'd be a queen with or without a crown. Baby, it's you, and I'ma love you forever. Now to my fellow island kings, when you find her, love her first and put everything behind her. Cause she becomes like the pupil in your eyes. Gotta protect her from whatever comes inside. To my queen of the islands, I am yours. May we represent like all the ones before us. Let's take it to the world. Forever my